We're going to be replacing a rear tail light that's out. Keep watching our video, we'll show you how we do that. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com. Today, we're going to be replacing the light bulb on a rear tail light of a 2009 Dodge Ram. It's quite simple actually. First thing you're gonna need is a T20 Torx. That's going to remove the two screws here. That's going to gain you access to the housing of this light. So it's really quick. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Just going to unscrew these. Like that. You got another one. Okay, so you got the screws out. This just will pop out like that. You just gotta, there's two lights. One is the rear reverse light, and then this is your running lights, nighttime running lights, and your brake light, as well as your turn signal. So this bulb here needs to be replaced. You just gotta plop it out. And of course, as you can see, you won't be able to see from the camera, but it's actually broke there. You can see it's missing. And these bulbs are actually 3157s. You can get them at your local department store or Canadian Tire. It's gonna take this and plop it right back in place. Like so. Insert the bulb. Just make sure that the housing is nice and snug, and then once you do that, it should just click right in. And here we are. Here's the large one. Goes like that. Give it a twist, and you're done. Then we place it back into place here. You'll see a little, this little knob here. It's just got to go into the hole over here. Give it a little press. Okay, now we're going to take the Torx screws and just secure them back. There's one. There's two. Now that's back. It only took not even 60 seconds. I'm just going to test the lights just to make sure it works. So there you go, you can see it's working, the bulb's great, and that's it. That's how you replace a light bulb on a 2009 Dodge Ram. Just want to thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like our video, share our video, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on the next Jeff Lepard video. Thanks a lot guys, see you next time.